Alright, welcome back. It's currently only 45 in the shop. Kind of chilly. Haven't made a bunch of videos. It's just wet sanding. Wet sanding and buffing. That's all we're doing. Well, that's all I'm doing. Been sanding on it and buffing on it for, oh shit, 3 days now. It's turning out really nice. This color is white in the light, but in the shadows it's kind of got it. You can't really see it in the video too much. Maybe you can. And I think that's the pearl that's in there that's causing that. It makes it, it's really hard color to sand and buff because you can't really see what the hell you're doing. But it looks good. Got most of it. Most of the car's buffed out. I don't know if you can see the difference here. Sanded, not sanded. It has a real light orange peel to it, and I'm taking that out with 2000 grit. It's coming along. I'm really happy for the most part. I don't think there was enough sealer used on the doors and the trunk deck because they seem to be just a little darker shade. You don't see it so much out in the sun, so I'm not too awful worried about it. This is really dusty and dirty in here. Still got to sand that and the spoiler, sand the hood, clean up the dog stuff. But yeah, it's coming along. Like I said, it's a light orange peel. Shop is super dusty, but it's coming along. So it's Monday now. I got 3 days of work down at the other shop, so probably won't get back on it until Thursday, maybe Wednesday evening. I don't know if I can get the front done, that front cowling done, top of that fender buffed out and everything. I might run a buffer across that front bumper a little bit, just the top of it, because I am gonna try and put a vinyl chrome wrap on the front bumper. If I can get that done, get the buffing done up there, then I will get the grill put in it and see what it looks like there. Might even set the hood on it, even though the hood's not done, just to get a look. But it's coming along. Did sand through or buff through in one spot. There's a little, what the hell is it? Right in there, right on that edge. Tried to stay away from the edges as much as I could, but shit happens. So there's a little bit of clear left up. I'll wait for a warmer day and hit it. I think we should have put probably 2 more coats of pearl on it before we cleared it, but it is what it is. Don't have time to change it. Don't have time to repaint the doors and trunk deck, and so it's crunch time. Track opens in like 2 or 3 weeks or something. Don't know if I'm going to make the first couple testing tunes. I just got too much going on. I got to finish this car. I got to go up and grab Terry's Malibu, the old crew cab thing, and then put a 383 stroker in that. And then he just bought a 97 1-ton dually or something. Tranny needs no reverse, so gotta get that done, get that out. So then he's got a tow vehicle, and he could tow his Malibu. Then we can get back on the dirty snowball, back on the Comet project. Still got to build my kid's motor. We're gonna put new rings in that. A little 427. Then that's going in Fiona, which is 78 Z28 I did a couple years ago. Actually, it's been like 4 years ago now. Nice car, speed orange, championship white stripes, 78 Z28. I built it as a race car, and then we had to do some stuff to it to make it streetable. He said if he's making payments on it and has to keep insurance on it, that he's going to drive it on the street. I'm like, okay, well, your motor, you keep wanting to go faster, but at some point your motor is no longer a street motor. So it's his money. I don't care. Do what I can to help him out. Love him to death. Kid works his ass off. He deserves to have cool stuff. Plus, he's just gave me a new grandbaby a couple months ago, my little granddaughter. Yeah, that's where we're at on that. I will get more videos out soon. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share, all that good shit. See you.